Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to change your WhatsApp profile picture on your PC. First, open WhatsApp desktop on your Windows computer. Now click on your profile picture at the top of the WhatsApp window. This will open your profile information. Next, click on your current profile picture. You should now see options related to changing or editing your profile photo. Select the option to change photo or upload a new picture, depending on the version of WhatsApp desktop you are using. A file selection window will open on your computer. From here, you can browse through your folders and choose the picture you want to use as your new profile photo. Select the image and continue to the next step. WhatsApp may show you a preview of the selected picture before applying it. You can check the preview and make sure the image looks good. You may also see options to adjust or edit the picture before saving it. Once you are satisfied with the image, you can use the Save or Done option to apply the new profile picture. For this tutorial, I'm only demonstrating the process, so I won't actually change the profile picture. The important thing to remember is that your new picture needs to be selected from your computer before it can be applied to your WhatsApp profile. If you want to change it later, you can follow the same steps again and choose a different image. So the process is simple. Open WhatsApp desktop, click your profile picture, choose the Change or Edit option, select a new photo, preview it, and save the changes. And that's how you can change your WhatsApp profile picture on PC in 2026. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.